Hello dear students, this video is made for providing the answers of chapter number 4, which has the title Revolutionaries of India. These answers are textual answers, and your examination, which is going to be conducted in the month of March, will be taken from textbook only. So you should avoid learning workbooks and concentrate on the textbooks. Let me read the questions and answers for you so that you cannot misguide yourself. The first question is, what was the vow taken by Vasudev Phadke? The answer is, he took a vow of not applying tilak on his forehead and not to cut his hair till he did not free India from the clutches of the Britishers. Second question is, why was Khudiram Bose hanged? Answer is, on 30th April 1908, Khudiram Bose and Praful Chaki threw a bomb on the horse carriage of Judge Kingsford to kill him. Judge Kingsford survived the attack, but the wife and daughter of lawyer Kennedy died in this attack, so he was arrested and hanged. Now the third question is, which book was written by Veer Savarkar? Veer Savarkar wrote a book which titled 1857 India's First Freedom Struggle. Question number 4 is, how did Chandrasekhar come to be known as Azad? The answer will be, in the court, when Chandrasekhar was asked his name, he said Azad. He told that his father's name was Freedom and residence was prison. After that, he became popular as Azad. Question number 5. Who threw a bomb in the Legislative Assembly? Answer will be, Bhagat Singh and Batukeshwar Dutt threw a bomb in the Legislative Assembly on 8th April 1928. Next question is number 6. What activities were carried out by Shyamji Krishna Varma? The answer is, he played a vital role in establishing the Indian Home Rule Society in London on 18th February 1905. Its office was in his house and it was given the name Indian House. He started a magazine entitled Indian Sociologist. He arranged scholarship for Indians. That will be the answers for questions from 1 to 6. And after that, we'll go to question number 2, which has the title Identify Me. But before that, we'll take short note. First topic is Veer Savarkar. Answer will be, Veer Savarkar was born on 28th May 1883 in Bhagor village of Nasik district in Maharashtra. He fostered revolutionary ideas since childhood. He established an organization named Mitra Mela, which was later known as Abhinav Bharat. Veer Savarkar wrote a book entitled 1857 India's First Freedom Struggle. Then next topic is on Veer Bhagat Singh. You should write, Bhagat Singh was born on 28th September 1907 in the Bhanga village of Layalpur district in Punjab. He came in contact with Sukhdev, Bhagat Charan and Yashpal while he studied at Lahore National College. Spelling of college is bit misprinted here. Write Collegee. E should be added here. I will write E here so that you can know the correct spelling of college. Bhagat Singh and Batukeshwar Dutt threw a bomb in the Legislative Assembly on 8th April 1928. Let us go to the next topic. It is Chandrasekhar Azad. His real name was Chandrasekhar Sitaram Tiwari. He was born on 23rd July 1906 in Bhavra village of Ali Rajpur district in Madhya Pradesh. He received his preliminary education in Kasi. On 27th February 1931, Azad was surrounded by the British police in Alfred Park of Allahabad, and after giving a great fight, he shot himself to keep his vow. Let's check the next topic. It's Shyamji Krishna Verma. He was born on 4th October 1857 in Mandvi village of Kutch district. He was the pioneer of revolutionary activities abroad. He played a vital role in establishing the Indian Home Rule Society in London on 18th February 1905. Its office was in his house and was given the name India House. So these are the answers for short notes. Let's go to the next topic, that is identify me. In your book this is question number 2, but here it is taken in the later part of the video, so don't get confused. The first answer will be Khudiram Bose, second one will be Veer Savarkar, third one will be Ashfaqullah Khan, fourth one will be Chandrasekhar Azad, and the last one will be Shyamji Krishna Verma. So all these answers you have to write in your notebooks. If you have already written, then it is good for you, otherwise you can have these answers and learn it for your examination that is going to be conducted in the month of March. Thank you for now.